welcome to my next stop. Okay guys, this is their bulletin board of the flights of United Airlines here in the US, and this one is, I'm looking for Lubbock, Texas, because this is my destination. It's 16-minute walk away from here at gate B20 and 9:30 a.m. So this is my flight, UA 577. So this is B, going to B section, that's B, A, B, C, D, E. For me it's B. So B terminal, so that would be gate B20. Okay guys, now at Houston, Texas, ganito kalawak guys yung kanilang airport. So 16 minutes ako maglalakad, ganyan kalaki yung airport nila that I had to walk 16 minutes from where I arrived. So pupunta tayo ngayon sa Terminal B. My gate is B20, going to my next city destination. And grabe dito sa Texas, Houston, I'm hearing a lot of Spanish speakers. Even yung mga announcements nila, yung mga paging system nila, there is a Spanish translation on it. Tapos may mga nakita akong flights papunta sa mga Hispanic areas. So ayan, so it's my first time here in Texas. Alam mo, buti na lang chinek ko yung wristwatch ko kasi nga sinink ko yung wristwatch ko and then my phone sa San Francisco airport kanina sa pareho sila. So tinignan ko kanina, buti na lang tinignan ko yung wristwatch ko kasi ba't siya late, sabi ko. Tapos dito sa phone, mas ano siya, mas nag-advance siya. Yung pala iba yung time zone dito. Sumuntik na akong ma-confuse at maiwan sa aking flight kung hindi ko sinunod yung ano ko, wristwatch ko and yung phone ko. Buti sinig ko yung time, so nag-adjust pala siya ng time. Kaya napaaga. So ngayon, naglalakad na ako papunta doon sa gate namin ng B20. Ayun, kasi magkakaiba yung time zone. Doon ako na-confuse ng slide. Ayan, so may Skyway daw papunta ng Terminal B. So yun sabi ng Skyway. Right, Skyway. So dito yung daanan. Dito na yung papunta sa Skyway guys, pataas. Alright, this is their Skyway to A, B, D, and E. So we're looking for the next trains, that's D and E. And this is A and B. So I'll be at this side, going to Terminal B. Okay, it says their next train in 60 seconds, and there's also a Spanish translation in it. So 45 seconds remaining. Okay, we only have 3 in the train right now, going to Terminals A and B.
The doors are closing. Las puertas se están cerrando. Please hold on, the train is departing for Terminal B. Por favor, sujétese bien. El tren está saliendo a la Terminal B.
Are you sure this Spanish translation, guys? This is Spanish translation, so they have English and then Spanish here in Houston. And now I'm traveling to Terminal B. Yay! Welcome to Houston.
Please hold on, the train is
So we're now at the Terminal B. For just a few minutes, I think that was just only 3 minutes or less. Okay, here we are.
Board here for Terminal
This is
A.
Terminal B.
Departing.
Las puertas se están cerrando. Este tren va a salir.
Okay, this is the Terminal B. Houston, Texas. Look at the SkyTrain out there. So this is Gates B31. I'm going to B10. Gates Puertas. I think going to learn Spanish. There are a lot of Spanish translations here, and if I get used to it, since I will be immigrating here in Texas, I think I'll be learning about it. At isa pang good news guys, dito kasi sa ticket ko, wala nakalagay na boarding gate kung saan gate ako. So I was waiting for instructions pero wala eh. So buti na talaga chinek ko yung orasan kasi nag-adjust yung time dito sa aking phone. Mas maaga siya. So pinuntahan ko doon, pumunta ako sa likod para hanapin yung maghanap-hanap ng gates din. Pumunta ako doon. And then nakita ko yung listahan ng mga iba't ibang flights from Houston, Texas punta sa iba't ibang part. And then nakita ko nga yung Lobok. So doon ako nakita na may beaten pala yung gate. Kasi walang boarding gate ito. Ayan. So dito na tayo. Good news no. Bango. Amoy kape. Pero hindi ko alam kung magagamit ko ba dito yung debit card ko na Visa, na BPI. I don't know if I could use it. Ayan. It's raining, Houston. It's rainy time. Rainy morning at Houston Airport. Small plane lang guys. Napandit to iniloko. Pati lang aeroplano dati pagluganan ni. At yan ang kwentong admiration. My name is Edmar, yung Channel Explorer at iyong kakwentuhan. See you in my next sound.